How to add music audio to Canva. So let's get started. Firstly, open any web browser and go to the Canva official website and make sure you are logged into your Canva account. Once logged in, you can simply tap on the any design you prefer to add sound to, or you can select from your laptops or desktops gallery and choose any photo or video you want to add music to. But I don't have any photos videos available on mine, so I'm choosing the design from the Canva. Let's simply search for the design in the search address bar and tap on any for now. So let's add this, the first one, as a design. Tap on the create this template or choose this template option available there. Now once you're inside the edit option of the Canva, then on the left hand toolbar you can see elements option available there. Simply tap on the elements. Now inside elements, scroll down and look for the audio sections available there. Now once you see the audio section, simply tap on the see all option right next to the audio. Now Canva provides a collection of royalty free music tracks you can use. But if you have a specific audio file, you can also upload it by clicking on the audio tab and dragging and dropping your audio file, but I don't have any, so let's use it from Canva. Now select a track from the audio library or your uploaded files. Then once you select it, drag the audio onto your timeline at the bottom of the screen or directly onto your design. Now drag the edges of the audio clip to shorten it, or adjust the volume slider to increase or decrease the sound, or drag the audio in the timeline to control when it starts playing. Then, once you are happy with the result, simply click on the share in the top right corner and select the download and choose the video format. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.